and welcome back. Today we are going to look at a tool called Builder.io, a powerful visual development platform that lets you design and build experiences without touching complex code. With features like Fusion, Publish, and deep integrations, Builder.io gives you full control on apps, landing pages, and CMS content. Let's get started and take our tour of Builder.io together.
We begin on the Builder.io homepage. The main headline, What Should We Build, immediately draws you in and highlights its core AI feature, Fusion. The text in the prompt box is particularly insightful, cycling through ambitious examples like a multi step user onboarding flow, a full featured production ready SaaS landing page, and a complete and production ready CRM dashboard. This powerfully demonstrates that the platform is built for serious, complex applications, not just simple pages. To get a better sense of its capabilities, let's explore the main navigation at the top. Hovering over Platform reveals Builder.io's two main products: Fusion, which is engineered to generate production ready web applications from text or design files, and Publish, which is a headless CMS focused on allowing marketing and content teams to create and optimize the content without developer intervention. Next, the Solutions menu is thoughtfully organized into users and use cases. This structure makes it incredibly easy for potential customers to see themselves on the platform. It shows how distinct teams like engineering, design, and product can leverage Builder.io from their specific needs. On the right, it lists concrete applications such as web apps, prototypes, landing pages, and a headless CMS. Moving on, the resources menu is a comprehensive hub for learning and support. It's categorized under Learn, Connect, and Updates, offering everything from blogs and webinars to the user forum and official product updates. The Docs menu provides direct access to highly technical documentation for Fusion and Publish, which is crucial for development teams. Finally, we have a clear link to pricing, creating an account, and the onboarding experience. Now that we have toured the home page, let's create our account. We'll navigate to the top right corner and click the Sign Up button. The platform presents several convenient options on the Create an Account screen. You can see a social sign on like Continue with Google or Continue with GitHub, or sign up using a traditional work email. For this tutorial, we'll process as if we just completed the sign up process. For this tutorial, let's choose Continue with Google and then select the email that you want to log in with. Once it's done, the sign up process is complete. Once signed up, Builder loads our new workspace and guides us through a brief, important onboarding process. The first step is to select a space type. Each space is a self-contained project tailored to a specific workflow. On the left, Fusion Space is designed for deep web app development, prototyping, and generating clean, production-ready code. On the right, Publish Space is optimized for headless CMS functionalities, page building, and dynamic personalized content. We'll select Publish Space for the walkthrough and click the now active Continue with Publish button. The next onboarding step asks, what's your role? To help customize Builder experience, the options include marketer, designer, product developer, executive, and other. This data helps the platform tailor suggestions and UI hints to your likely workflow. We'll select product for this demonstration. A deep dive into dashboard interface. And here we are on the main dashboard. It's currently empty, which is expected for a new account. The main area prompts us to create your first page to begin, featuring visuals of editor and its ability to import from Figma along with a prominent create page button. Let's take a comprehensive tour of the user interface, starting with the main navigation menu on the left. At the top, content is selected with its submenu showing pages. This is your central command center for managing all the individual pages of your website or application. The columns for name, target, and status will give you at a glance overview of your content state. The columns for name, target, and status give you an at a glance overview of your content state. Moving down further under content, we find content models. This is a fundamental concept in a headless CMS. It allows you to create reusable content structures like a blog post with fields for a title, author, and image, or an announcement bar with text and a link. This ensures brand consistency and empowers non technical users to add structured content safely. Next is the asset library. Clicking here takes you to the centralized repository for all your media. You can upload and manage images, videos, and other files, ensuring your team always uses the correct and approved assets. Below that, we find Scheduler and Insights. The scheduler provides a content calendar to visualize and manage your publishing schedule, which is invaluable for marketing campaigns. Insights is your analytics hub, offering data on engagement and conversations to help you optimize your content's performance. It's important to note both of these are premium features that require a subscription to unlock. Continuing down, MCP servers and plugins are the heart of Builder's extensibility. MCP servers allows you to integrate with external data sources and services, while the plugins section lets you connect apps like Shopify, Salesforce, and more to supercharge your visual editor. This demonstrates that Builder isn't a closed system. It's designed to be the central piece of a larger tech stack. Further down, the toggle commands feature, also activated by pressing Ctrl plus K, opens a powerful command palette. This lets you navigate the dashboard and execute commands with just your keyboard, boosting efficiency for power users. Latest updates is a direct feed from Builder team so you can stay informed on platform improvements. Finally, the subscription and settings section are crucial for administration. Under settings, you will find the tabs to manage space details like API keys, add or remove team members under users, and configure different environments for development, testing, and production. A key feature for professional enterprise workflows. To wrap up our tour, let's navigate back to our starting point by clicking Content in the sidebar. This returns us to the main page's dashboard, right where we began, ready to create our first page. And that completes our initial in-depth tutor of Builder.io platform. As you can see, it's a clean, well-organized, and incredibly powerful environment. In this video, we have explored the home page to understand its core value proposition, created a free account, and walked through the user dashboard to see where the magic happens. You now have a solid foundation and are ready to start building. I hope this detailed walkthrough has been helpful in getting you acquainted with all the amazing tools at your disposal. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe AI Tech Feed for more such interesting videos.